In this video, we're going to be going over everything you need to know in order to successfully use an X-Acto knife. So first thing is our setup. Before you get started, you always want to make sure that the blade is tightened in there. Never by touching the blade, always by pulling the handle. Make sure that it's as tight as it can go. If you're not sure, you can always ask for help. Next, always make sure that you are using your X-Acto knife. So double check your number. If you're not sure, you can always ask. And you're always going to want to use your X-Acto holding it just like a pen on an empty mat, always cutting on the mat. So you have your marked surface, always start with a pencil mark first, then you're pulling the X-Acto knife towards you. Even if that means that you have to rotate your surface, you want to make sure that your blade is always pulling straight, not at any angle. You might want to cut past your pencil line, rotate any time that you need to make a cut, never pulling the X-Acto in an awkward direction. Making sure that your surface is being held down by your resting hand. Notice that my resting hand is away from the direction I'm cutting. I'm never cutting towards my resting hand. Sometimes you're not going to be able to start from the edge of a surface, and it's okay to start your cut from the middle. Again, always rotating your surface as you're cutting if you need to turn. Taking it little by little. And since I started in the middle with this one, I'm going to pick up where I left off until the cut is complete. Occasionally I might need to turn over and get any little bits of the cut that I missed. If you're cutting from the center of a shape, you might have to go a little bit past your lines to make sure that the shape does cut out fully. But you're always cutting on a mat, never just on a surface, never in the air. Pulling the knife towards you, being mindful of where your resting hand is. Occasionally you will need to trim from the other side. And depending on the look of precision that you're going for, take a final second to trim, slowly, carefully, and precisely.